guys, today we're going to be making a melted crayon canvas. With me I have a few crayons, a hard surface such as a thin canvas or a piece of cardboard, and a glue gun. You're going to want to start by plugging in the hot glue gun, but be careful, it is hot and you may need to ask for adult supervision. I'm going to now choose which crayons I'm going to use in which order, and I decided to do a rainbow. Now that my hot glue gun is ready to go, I'm going to begin with my first crayon and applying the hot glue carefully onto the canvas, making sure my fingers and anything else doesn't touch the heat. Pressing on the crayon for about 10 seconds should keep it sturdy. I'm going to repeat this process with the other crayons. Now that my crayons are glued on, I can carefully unplug the hot glue gun and put it over to the side. Be careful, it's still hot. Now I'm ready to get the blow dryer. Before beginning, please put a plastic bag or a paper towel underneath to ensure an easy cleanup. You're gonna want to do this, trust me. Begin on low heat and gradually increase your temperature. Slowly, you'll start to see the crayons melting. Now that I realized I need a plastic bag, I can continue. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching, everyone.